What is good? Here's the no trade recap because there's no trade recap. So yeah, here's the no trade recap video. So yeah, I need to give you guys a little lesson. When you're sick, when you're emotional, when your brain is clouded, when you just broke up with your girlfriend, when you're sad, when you're happy, when you're excited, if you're feeling any emotions, just kidding, but if you've been emotional recently, do not take a trade. Do not take a trade, bro. Because then you're most likely going to get emotional and lose the trade. So, yeah, do not take a trade, bro. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be it for the video. Just sometimes trading less can be more, so yeah, see ya.